bitch just wanna talk. I done ran it up, ain't going broke. That shit ain't in my thoughts.
Where's the fucking menu at?
Wait, he has it on the thing.
What thing?
He's holding a little...
How you doing?
Oh, how are you?
Pretty good, man. Let me get 2 double doubles, please.
2 double doubles?
Yeah.
Would you like honey?
What's that? Like what?
Would you like honey?
Yeah, sure.
Would those be meals or just the burgers?
Fuck it, I'll do a meal. Yeah.
For both or just one?
Just one.
All right, what would the drink be?
Just water.
Water?
Yeah, just water, please. Do we pay here?
No. So I have the first one though.
Okay.
All right, so I have 2 double doubles with onion, 1 fry, and a water.
Yep.
Would this be for in the car?
Yep.
All right, your total is $12.73. I got a question. What year is this?
97.
97?
Yeah.
I got the same exact year.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's dope, dude.
There's a blue one back on the back.
Hell yeah.
All right, have a good one.
Yeah, you too, man.
He said, I got the same piece of shit truck you got.
Man, I got this son of a bitch in 1932. Still kicking. Yep. Yeah.
He knew you were going to do that dumb shit.
Oh, fucking hungry, dude. Look at that, 17 an hour. All right, guys, so we're on Modesto, California. I've never eaten it In-N-Out, so I'm about to try it for the first time. We got 2 double doubles. Let's see what this shit tastes like. We're gonna do a live taste test for you guys. Is it worth the hype, Cheyenne?
No, not really. It's alright if you don't.
I've never had it before, dude. So I asked my mom when we were in LA last time, did we go to In-N-Out? She said, no, we didn't have time. I said, imagine that. We didn't have fucking time. We had nothing but time. So now, bitch, we got time. I'll let you guys know when we get up to the window how this shit tastes.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
2 double doubles and a fry?
Yep.
Any ketchup today?
Sure. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Oh, yeah, I forgot about the water. Oh, you'll drive?
Yeah. You're on a park real quick. Let's go to your mom's house.
A long drive back. Are you supposed to keep it in there?
Yeah. It's easier if you keep it in there. She gets a little messy.
I don't think it was worth the wait.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay. I'll take it. Let's go. So if you've never eaten an In-N-Out before, don't get the fries. They're fucking ass. I mean, they told me that it wasn't going to be that good for the fries, but they're fucking horrible.
Welcome home. And missing you made me stronger. Then I'd be Superman if I fly around the world. It wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, just so I could understand.
for 16 passenger. This a G5, no, this not a Challenger.
Alright, so we're gonna go to Vancouver for fireworks. This is the first place that popped up, so it looks like we're gonna go to Mean Gene Fireworks. So let's fucking go, baby.
For real.
Water on me like the sauna. Sun, carrot, sun, pointers.
I'm gonna keep this door open now. Alright, you know what? They took the 4th of July away from us, but they can't take our fucking freedom. So, July 7th, we're gonna fucking light this bitch.
Not right here.
Why?
Let's too close to my car. You want to kill us?
Sure. You ready?
Here.
Oh, it's done? Let's go.
There's shit falling everywhere. Oh my god.
Fuck out of here. Where we going next?
Some more shit up.
Downtown? They can't take our fucking freedom. Yeah. This one's gotta be quick, because this is gonna be really fucking loud. It's gonna wake up the whole fucking city of Portland. I got 6 of these fuckers. Yeah, open this just in case we gotta fucking dip. In case cops come try to deport my ass. I don't know, if nobody comes right away, dude, I'm gonna fucking light one of these off with no tube. I did that before in another video. Like, explodes on the ground.
Is it one of those big ones that like goes up and...
No, it's a small one that goes down.
Fuck you. Don't knock it over. I don't want to die.
That wasn't even that big, dog.
I didn't even see it. Where the fuck did it go?
You didn't even record it?
Yeah, I fucking recorded it.
But you didn't see it.
Yeah, well, I tried to go up. I thought it was gonna be like...
Alright, let's just do one more.
Okay, and I'll try and get it this time.
Alright, they're gonna try to deport me.
I got that one.
Alright, remember guys, 4th of July may be over, but they can't take away our fucking freedom.
Oh shit.
We're out.